This 2017 Dynamax Corp Isata 4 Series 31DS is a Class C RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dynamax Corp is 32 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 6, TV antenna, external shower, air conditioning, Slideout, Skylight, stove-top burner, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, self-contained, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features outdoor entertainment. This 2017 Dynamax Corp Isata 4 Series 31DS is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.